I am going to be doing some writing with you and your teacher. I'm beyond excited about it. Now, I know you've written some opinion pieces before, like letters and reviews, and in those, you've told the world exactly what you think. Well, now we're going to get to the hard work of not just telling what we think, but we're going to be convincing too. As a matter of fact, we're going to get started today, right now. We'll start with speeches. First, we'll plan it together, and then you'll write it, and then you can even practice parts of your speech later. So, today, what I want to teach you is that speech writing is a kind of opinion writing. The writer or speaker offers an opinion or a claim, and then they give reasons to support that opinion, that claim. And then you give details and examples to support your opinion. But the tricky part is that the writer has to choose reasons that will convince their audience. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So, usually you start with your own opinion. But I figured since we're practicing, we'll start with our own shared opinion. Let me think about something that everyone could benefit from. What if we all work together to create something beautiful? Maybe something that shows how beautiful we all are. What if we painted a mural, which is basically a huge painting on a wall? We could say, we need a new mural at the entrance of our school. Now we have to think of some convincing reasons to show why we need this mural. Hmm. Okay, let me try by restating our claim. We need a new mural at the entrance of our school because it will be nice. I know, you're right. That's not very convincing. Let's think of a more convincing reason that shows why we need this new mural at the entrance of our school. Let me try it again. We need a new mural at the entrance of our school because it will be welcoming, right? I feel like that one was a bit more convincing, a lot more convincing. I think if we said that one, that it will be welcoming, that maybe our principal would look at that and think, yeah, I agree. A new mural at the entrance of our school would be welcoming. Maybe we should try it. Why don't we try rehearsing what the first paragraph could sound like? We could start by repeating our first reason, and then we could say a bunch of things that support that first reason. We could try to give some details and examples to support our first reason. Okay, let's try it. We need a new mural at the entrance of our school because it will be welcoming. I could say a new mural would be bright and colorful, and it would show everyone who walks into our school how bright and colorful we are. People would feel happy as soon as they walk in because all the people in the painting would be smiling brightly. Did you see what I did there, writers? Did you see how I thought of a claim? And then I thought of a convincing reason for that claim. And then I gave a bunch of details and examples that were convincing to support that reason. I bet you could do it too. You could think of a couple more convincing reasons about why we need a mural for the entrance of our school. And then you could think of a bunch of like examples and details about your reasons. Why don't you give it a try on your own? You could set a timer, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. You just want to make sure you give yourself enough time to write this whole speech. Writers, I can't wait to see how convincing you can be. Off we go.